Senator Risa Ontiveros wants Pastor Apollo Kibuloy to face Senate panel and come clean on the charges heaped on the Kingdom of Jesus Christ or KOJC leader. Our Daniel Manalastas reports on the embattled pastor's appointment with the Senate coming shortly.
Religious leader and embattled Pastor Apollo Kibuloy may face the Senate panel soon. As Senator Risa Ontiveros said, they are all set to resume their hearings on the allegations thrown against the pastor. Ontiveros added her committee will comply with all requirements by a court of law to ensure the Senate gets Kibuloy to finally face them.
Kung bakit talaga niya ginawa ang lahat ng ito at paano isinet up na yung mga taong ni-recruit niya bilang mga nananampalataya sa kanya at sa kanyang kingdom ay sa halip inabuso niya sa iba't ibang paraan. Yung mga babae, pati yung mga menor de edad, pati yung ibang mga miyembro ng kingdom na mga lalaki pero pinagmalupitan din niya.
Ontiveros also shared a glimpse on what likely lies ahead once the hearings resume.
Pinilit niyang maglimos para pala sustentuhan lang yung kanyang marangyang pamumuhay, yung mga effectively inhuman trafficking niya sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas at pati sa ibang mga bansa para ituloy din yung kanyang mga illegal activities.
Meanwhile, Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla was asked regarding Kibuloy's mugshot.
Dapat pinakita yung mukha. So people will believe na nahuli na talaga. Baka mamaya, kung anong katawan lang ang nilagay doon, tapos tinakpan na, tapos sasabihin mo, yun na yung nahuli. Fair is fair. Dapat makita ng tao, masatisfy ang tao, siya talaga yung under custody.
The DOJ also favors Kibuloy staying in the PNP Custodial Center.
Let's say, for example, in Camp Crame, where they can ensure his attendance in all of these jurisdictions. So we are beginning discussions with our prosecutors to suggest that and recommend that to the court para hindi naman mahirapan.
On the other hand, some House lawmakers need more clarification on what former President Rodrigo Duterte did or perhaps did not do to link him to Kibuloy's legal troubles. The former president and his daughter have not yet commented as of this posting. But for Senator Ronald De La Rosa,
Walang masasabi ko lang isa, ako'y naawa dito sa mga congressman na ito dahil nga ang nasa isip na lang nila palagi ay politika.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.